Good morning students, how are you? Fine? Great. Now today we are going to start day 13, but before day 13 first of all we discuss all the question answer of day 12. Now the first question was ABC are partners with capital rupees 50,000, 40,000, 30,000 respectively. Carrying on business in partnership, the firm reported profit for the year was rupees 80,000. As per provision of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, find out the share of each partner in the above amount after taking into account that no interest has been provided on an advanced by A of rupees 20,000 in addition to his capital contribution. इसका बच्चों आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर टू था XYZ आर पार्टनर्स इन अ फर्म एट द टाइम ऑफ डिवीजन ऑफ प्रॉफिट of for the year. There was dispute between the partners. Profit before interest on partners capital was 6,000 and Y determined interest at the rate of 24% per annum. On his loan of rupees 80,000, there was no agreement on this point. Calculate the amount payable to XYZ respectively. Options थी इसकी A रुपीज़ 2,000 to each partner, option B थी loss of rupees 4,400 to X and Z, Y will take rupees 14,800, and option C rupees 400 to X, rupees 5,200 to Y, rupees 400 to Z, and D option थी none of the above. इसका right answer है after the calculation option C. Now question number 3, according to profit and loss account, the net profit for the year is rupees 1,50,000. The total interest on partners capital is rupees 18,000 and interest on partners drawing is rupees 2,000. The net profit as per profit and loss appropriation account will be, after the calculation our answer is option D, rupees 1,34,000. Now question number 4, according to profit and loss account, the net profit for the year is rupees 4,20,000. Salary of a partner is rupees 5,000 per month and commission of another partner is rupees 10,000. The interest on drawing of partner is rupees 4,000. The net profit as per profit and loss appropriation account will be, so after the calculation your answer is option A, rupees 3,54,000. Now question number 5, ABR partner, according to profit and loss account, the net profit for the year is rupees 2 lakh. The total interest on partners drawing is rupees 1,000. A salary rupees 40,000 per year and B salary rupees 3,000 per month. The net profit as per profit and loss appropriation account will be, after the calculation इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B, रुपीज़ 1,25,000. नाउ बच्चों वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट डे 13 और डे 13 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पर है. ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, संगीता एंड अंकिता आर पार्टनर्स इन अ फर्म. संगीता's capital is rupees 70,000 and Ankita's capital is rupees 50,000. Firm's profit is rupees 60,000. Ankita's share is profit will be option A 25,000, option B 30,000, option C 35,000 और ऑप्शन D 20,000. अब आपके पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आ रहा है बच्चों. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इफ द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट आर फ्लक्चुएटिंग, इन दैट केस फॉलोइंग आइटम्स will be recorded in the credit side of capital account. Option A interest on capital, option B salary of partner, option C commission of partner, and option D all of the above. Now the question number 3, for the firm interest on drawing is option A capital payment, option B expenses, option C capital receipt, and option D income. Now question number 4, when partners capital account are floating, which one of the following item will be written on the credit side of partners capital account? Option A interest on drawing, option B loan advanced by partners to the firm, option C partners share in the firm losses या loss, option D salary to the active partner. Now last question number 5, for the firm interest on capital is option A capital payment, ऑप्शन बी कैपिटल रिसिप्ट, ऑप्शन सी लॉस एंड ऑप्शन डी इनकम। तो ये हमारे 5 क्वेश्चन थे बच्चों डे 13 के। आप सभी इनके आंसर्स रिसर्च करें, आंसर ढूंढें। कल हम आपको इनके आंसर्स भेजेंगे अलॉन्ग विद न्यू 5 क्वेश्चंस। थैंक यू बच्चों एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू। बाय बाय।